Hi everyone. Now let us try to understand more about the earth element as per Vastu, also known as the Prithvi Tattva. Before I tell you the zones that are associated, or the materials or the design considerations, or even the activity zones that can be placed, or the metal that is associated to it, let us understand how exactly earth element is created. Now here, just again coming back to the previous session where we tried to cover and understand the fire zone, we told you that in the fire zone there are no transition zones out of the three zones in fire. The reason being, what actually happens is when the air element first initially converts to the fire element, then what actually happens is in that, when earth is basically, or the wood taken from the earth element is ignited and the fire goes on, once it's completely burnt, automatically this burnt ashes goes as a part of the soil, so it becomes earth on its own and there is no transition. It's something that happens on a natural process. So hence there are no transition zones linked to the fire element for having that conversion from your fire to your earth. So now that you've understood this, let me try to tell you some of the basic attributes associated with the earth element. The reason why I want to take this up initially is because when you look at earth, earth doesn't just look as a planet, but it represents the qualities that are associated with it, or the attributes. When you see earth in detail, earth gives you a ground for stability. It gives you a sense of a solid foundation on a ground to stand on, or to do anything, which gives you a solid balance in life, a structural entity for you, right? So when you look at it in detail, the earth has an ability to take on and carry majority of the mass, or actually take on heavy mass, and take the pressure and the load of it. So that is why, firstly, when you have heard in general as well, the southwest, so before I tell you the zones, let me just tell you the earth element or the area is said to be, or is meant to be, the heaviest spaces compared to all the other elements that you have. I'll tell you why in some bit, but firstly now let us try to understand what are the zones that are associated with the earth element. Now there are two zones that are associated with the earth element, that is your southwest and your south-southwest. Your southwest is linked with your relationships and your skills, while your south-southwest is related to your expenditure and disposal. And please note, both of these zones here are considered as transition zones. We'll cover this when we're discussing in Akash Tattva, or this space element, in the future classes. But coming back into the same thing, when you understand this in detail, when you understand the southwest and the south-southwest in detail, these are basically representations of stability, or a sense of grounding, a sense of being the heaviest to take on the mass or the kind of weight of the entire building, or the burden of generally the entire earth, right? So that is why when we consider in terms of a space or a vastu of a space, the heaviest portion of your space or your house or whatever area is always suggested to be your southwest. So that is why when we look into a design perspective, your OHT, your ducts, and your heavy storage areas, your lofts, all of these are told to be best kept in your southwest zone. Alright, or at least in this earth zones, because they represent a sense of being volumetrically massy and having more weight, which can be taken by the elemental property. Now that you've understood this much, let me try to explain to you what exactly is the metal that it is associated with. Brass is the metal that is associated with the earth element, and the shape that is associated is square. Now the next thing I want to ask or add to it is, what are the design considerations that we can take into while going about choosing our color palettes as per the earth element. Two major colors, beat their shades, used tints, whatever, but that we can consider as the earth element are the color yellow and are the color golden. So keeping these two in mind, you can go about playing it with the percentages of either diluting it or adding in excess to make sure you balance out the entire energies of the space. So saying that, thank you very much.